Hey, shitheads! Hello? Is that you, Randy? Cute. And what movie is this from? I spit on your garage. Lose the outfit. If Sydney sees it, she'll flip. Oh, you want to play psycho killer? Can I be the helpless victim? Okay, let's see. No, please don't kill me, Mr. Ghostface. I want to be in the sequel. Cut, Casper. That's a wrap. Randy, what the hell are you doing? Ah! What? Ah! Stop!
Nice parties too.
Tatum, come on! Nobody here but us, chicken!
There she is.
No, I haven't seen it.
Oh, Billy, hey.
Billy! What are you doing here?
I was hoping I could talk to Sid alone.
You know, if Tatum sees you here, she'll draw blood.
I'll tell you what, once you guys go up to my parents' room, you guys can talk. Whatever.
Subtleties, too. You should look it up.
No, it's okay. We do need to talk.
What's Leatherface doing here?
He came to make up.
There goes my chance with Sid. Damn it.